Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve a WordPress issue 403 forbidden error in WordPress. As you can see, we cannot log in our WordPress admin dashboard. Our site also shows 403 error. So first of all, to solve this error, we have to first go to our if you have hosting or cPanel, you can go to that and see your details where resources usage. As you can see, here is the details of the resources. So in this little more, so from this you can stop running all the process. So the all the background coding and all the things will be shut down instantly, as it is to stop user try again to refresh. Even if the you can see same error, then you have to clear the cache from the hosting or cpanel. As you can clear the cache from the cpanel, so again test to log in WordPress admin dashboard. It worked for some time, but there is also different methods. Like for my it is working now, as you can see, but we have I can explain you the other methods as well. So we have to first go to our file manager, so we can add code to wp config file. So here is the file manager, and we have opened it. So in this public HTML and then WP config.php file. Uh, here, here is the WP config file, and here we can add a code for memory limit and time for it maximum time execution. You can add these. I will also add in the description of this video, and you can also increase these limits, but recommended these. So there is if still not fixed, then we have another method using our plugin that is called WP control. I will uh, so my site is working correctly, as you can see. Now let's go to our admin dashboard, so we can add WP control plugin to use the second method to do that. And here is the plugins, and so there is no WP control plugin until, so we have to add that and new plugin, and add WP control and then search. So here is the plugin WP control that will should control our cron jobs and events that is run in the background. Sometimes some scripts are running, so that is why some code running always every minute, every hour, that you can see in the setting cron. And here is the control cron events, and we have to first, if issue not solved, then you have to just pass all the hooks that is running every minute or hourly, even 15 minutes one day, that you can all pass these, and then check your site on different browsers and phones, and then you can see there is this issue will be fixed. If that issue still not fixed, then we have the only one final, that we have to increase our resources limit for the CPU and memory. That is the last option, we have to do that.